We built this house about 30 years ago. It's located on the north end of an island in Maine. This driveway was constantly covered with ice, making it very difficult and dangerous to use. About 8 years ago, we decided we wanted to replace the original asphalt driveway with a paver driveway. And we didn't want to be plowing it because we didn't want to destroy the driveway. When we started looking around for ways to melt snow, we stumbled across a new company called Therma-HEXX, which was making these therma panels to melt snow under a driveway like this. So we hired them to do the job. Since then, the driveway has always been free of ice, free of snow. It automatically melts when it starts to snow or freezes ice. It snowed last night, and as you can see, the driveway is perfectly dry and clean right now. We never have to worry about ice and snow on this driveway anymore.